Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or feeling like your money is slipping through your fingers, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful self-discipline rules that will help you take control of your finances and build a more secure future. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive into how you can start mastering your money, one smart decision at a time. Managing your money well isn't about how much you make, it's about how disciplined you are with what you have. Financial stability and freedom come from consistent habits, not one-time windfalls. Here are *5 self-discipline rules that can transform your financial life, one step at a time. 1. Build a $1,000 starter emergency fund, fast. Before you start investing, paying off all your debt, or chasing big financial goals, there's one critical step you need to take: protect yourself from the unexpected. Life happens, whether it's a car breaking down, a sudden medical bill, or an unplanned trip due to a family emergency. These surprises can hit hard, and if you're not prepared, you'll be forced to rely on credit cards, loans, or even borrowing from others, setting you back even further. That's why your very first financial milestone should be to build a starter emergency fund of $1,000. This isn't meant to cover every possible crisis, but it gives you a much-needed cushion so a minor emergency doesn't turn into a major financial disaster. Don't overthink it, just get it done. If you have to, sell some unused items, cut back on non-essential spending, or take on a side hustle to generate extra income quickly. The goal is speed and focus. The faster you reach that $1,000, the faster you'll breathe easier knowing you have a buffer in place. This isn't your full emergency fund, it's your launch pad. It gives you space to make smart decisions, avoid high-interest debt, and start building long-term financial stability with confidence. 2. Create and stick to a written budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Without one, it's easy to overspend and wonder where your paycheck went. Take time each month to write down your income and expenses, giving every dollar a job, a method known as zero-based budgeting. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper, whatever keeps you consistent. And most importantly, track your spending and adjust as needed to stay on course. 3. Get out of debt completely, except for a mortgage. Debt steals from your future. Credit cards, car loans, personal loans, they all come with interest and stress. Make it a priority to pay off all non-mortgage debt using a proven strategy like the debt snowball, paying smallest to largest, or debt avalanche, highest interest first. Once you're debt-free, you'll free up cash flow and reduce financial risk. 4. Live on less than you make. This rule is simple, but it requires ongoing discipline. Spend less than you earn. That means cutting unnecessary expenses, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and being intentional with every purchase. Living below your means gives you margin, room to save, invest, and handle life without panic. It also opens the door to long-term wealth building and financial peace. 5. Save and invest consistently. Once you've paid off your consumer debt and have your budget under control, it's time to shift your focus from survival to growth. This is the stage where you begin to build wealth intentionally, not by chance or luck, but by clear planning and consistent action. Start by saving for your bigger financial goals: a fully funded emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses, a down payment on a future home, or even education costs for your children. These goals require focus, patience, and discipline, but they set the foundation for long-term stability. Next, step into investing, even if you're only starting with a small amount. You don't need to wait until you're wealthy to begin investing. Wealth is built by consistently investing over time. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k through your employer or opening an IRA, individual retirement account. These accounts offer tax advantages that can accelerate your progress. Most importantly, automate your contributions. Set it and forget it. This removes emotion from the process and ensures you're investing regularly, whether the market is up or down. Because when it comes to building wealth, consistency beats timing every single time. It's not about finding the perfect moment, it's about forming the right habits and sticking to them. Financial self-discipline isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart decisions now so you can live with freedom later. By following these 5 rules, you'll gain control, reduce stress, and build a future you're proud of. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about being intentional one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I hope these 5 self-discipline rules gave you some clarity and motivation to take charge of your finances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips on money, success, and self-growth. And remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It starts with consistent, disciplined steps. See you in the next video, and until then, stay focused and stay smart.